Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. Let's go treasure hunting at the Goodwill Bins. Let's start with the wall. This is my favorite place to look. It's usually more hard goods and not clothing, so they tend to have the things that we like here. Don't see anything yet, so it's all these bins just filled with stuff, and they switch it out once or twice a day, so you could come more than once a day and find different stuff. I like the whitewash on this frame. I could do something different on the inside, and I like it both ways, so I could do a vertical piece or a horizontal piece. I think I'm going to add this to my cart. Here's a cute little jewelry dish with an adorable little bear on it. I like handmade pottery, but I don't know about this piece. What y'all think it is? Maybe a cat? I don't know. Look at the little legs. It's so funny. It's missing an eyeball too. Ooh, oh man, this piece is so cute. Little bunny rabbit, but she's missing an ear. Here's a whole box of frames right here. It says, "Let them be little." Some artwork. This is a wooden piece. I'm not sure what it says. It looks like it says hello. And just some black frames, it looks like. Nothing that I need. Look at this jack-o'-lantern candle. This is so cute. I don't know if I'm ready to start picking up fall stuff though, so I think I'm gonna leave it here for someone else. Ren would like these sparkly pink Christmas trees. Definitely not ready to pick up Christmas stuff. Here is a chenille bedspread. I love the color. It's kind of an off-white. My friend Lee, the Turquoise Valentines, loves these and she collects them. I'm gonna text her and see if she wants this. Here's some figurines, a little bird, some people. This is a candlestick, but it has some issues with it. So what people do is, oh, that's cute. I do not need another whale though. They'll dig through the bins, and if there's breakable stuff, they'll put it up here. That way it doesn't get broken even more. But a lot of times when it gets to the bins, it's already broken. Okay, this is weird, but something about it I like. Unfortunately, she has a broken neck. I have actually purchased this figurine several times before. It always seems to be different colors. It's a little cat and a little sleeping mouse. It is absolutely adorable. I don't see any chips on it, so I'm gonna bring this piece home. Here's a box in the bin. Some Easter stuff, it looks like. Oh my god, y'all. This guy looks like he has been through some things. Oh my gosh, I might just have to get him because he's just too funny. Oh, look at that poor thing. We need to rescue him. Oh, these are cute. That'd be good just to stick into a little Easter vignette, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm cracking up. Oh, this little guy looks like he's been through some stuff too. Maybe they need to come home with me together. We have a little Easter puzzle right here. Let's see. We have this little doll. It's missing a head. Some little florals. And it looks like a little Christmas bear. Look, I found another one. A little blue one, and he's covering up his face with his ears. Here's some interesting furniture pieces. Look at this. It's a bunch of little angel figurines. This is the bottom, and I'm assuming it probably had a glass top. There's two pieces. This one is $5, and this one is $5 as well. This looks like a piece of cheese. Hey, Ren. You know what that is? It's a cheese hat. It goes on your head. My husband just got here with her. Oh, look at that. It's a perfect fit. You're a cheese head. Here's a bin with some books, and these look older. Medieval English, modern criticism, and British poetry. Look, all three of these look really pretty together. This looks like a dictionary. No, it's not. That's a really cool book. This is another poetry book right here. I think they came from a library. They have that library smell to them. How to Know the Trees. That one's pretty cute too. Let's see. I don't see any older books in this bin right here. Here's one. Problems of Philosophy. What else we got in here? Don't see any more older hardback books, but I'm probably gonna get a few of these. Oh man, they're taking away some bins that I didn't dig through. You found anything, Warren?
No.
No, hopefully there's not some stuff I needed in there. Usually when they take it to the back, it's getting trashed. Look what I just found. A whole bunch of Lazy Susans. I'm gonna get all of these because that means I can paint a bunch of different stuff at different times. I can leave it on here, just move it to the side to let it dry. Oh look, there's another one down here. I've been looking for some of these forever. This is very exciting to me. This is just a paperback book, but look at the decoed edge pages on here. I definitely want to bring this home and give it a little makeover so I can use it as decor. They have a lot of clothing here today. So at my Goodwill, the pricing is pay by the pound just for the clothing. And then everything else is just kind of priced by the cashier. So it's $1.95 per pound for the clothing. And then I think shoes are a set price. Some things are a set price, some things are not. I don't know, it's just different. But honestly, everything is so cheap over here, I don't really worry about the price. Well, we didn't get too much here today. It was lots of clothing. Actually, somebody gave this to rent. It is a North Face jacket, and she actually could use some more jackets because she's been growing out of everything. This is a jacket that I was wearing because it's really cold. Lee said she wanted this, so I'm going to get that for her. I got all of these Lazy Susans, which I'm excited about. This book right here, as well as these books. I got this piece I'll do a DIY on. Ren got some dinosaurs. I have to say, she did not get that much extra stuff today. She threw this in here at some point. Oh, and she got this, and she said she was gonna fill it with her favorite little candies. Look at this cute little thing. I don't know if it's a new or older piece, but it's adorable. And our little sleeping cat and mouse figurine. So that is everything that I found at the Goodwill Bins today. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. Bye guys, have a great day.